Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. Today I have a products empties video. I have so many different products. The last time I filmed this was back in August, so I've accrued quite a few products. Basically, I just give you guys a quick little review, quick little rundown on them, what I repurchased them, what I liked about them, what I didn't like about them, and I have hair care, skincare, makeup, and body care, so really everything. I also have some products that I decluttered and they no longer serve me, and I will also be reviewing those and kind of why they no longer serve me as well. So if you love beauty, if you love fashion, if you love lifestyle, if you love travel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's jump into it. So first, let's start with this huge Ziploc bag that I have here. This is a lot of my decluttered products. For example, I decluttered this lactic acid plus HA from The Ordinary. This just kind of always broke out my skin. I have very sensitive skin, and I will say I like a lot of The Ordinary's products, but this lactic acid was just not really right for my skin type. I also finally got rid of one of my favorite ColourPop liquid lips, Solo. I love this. It was like the perfect pink color. However, it's very drying and it's just something I no longer reach for, so I got rid of it. The next product that I decluttered is this Becca primer. It's kind of the same reasons as I decluttered the lactic acid one by The Ordinary. This just broke out my skin, wasn't right for my skin texture. I also got rid of this Wonder Brow eyebrow gel type thing. It just was a little harsh on me. As you can see, it's pretty dark and I'm pretty fair, so just wasn't the right color. I found it at TJ Maxx, heard a lot of good things about it, and it was like a high quality product, you could tell, just not the right color for me. I also used up this e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash serum. This does a really nice job of holding your brows in place if you kind of like to do a more traditional eyebrow pencil and then like to brush them up. So I really like how this is clear and very affordable. I definitely will be repurchasing this. I used up this really nice lip liner by Delilah. This was in my advent calendar in 2021, and as you can see, I literally cannot twist it anymore. It was just the perfect everyday pink. I used up an azelaic acid by The Ordinary. This is great if you deal with texture, acne, redness. It just really cures it all. You have to be really consistent with this product, use it every day, and then you'll see results, but it's a very good for all of those skin conditions that I mentioned. I'm getting rid of this Stila eye glitter. It's just kind of gross and dried up, but I never really reached for it anyway. This was another product that I found at TJ Maxx. Just wanted to try it out and see what it was all about. Decluttering this Clinique under eye balm. I never reached for it. It's probably expired. I used up this liquid lip from Smashbox, the Always On liquid lipstick in the color Driver's Seat. I love this one. Again, it's just a really nice wearable pink. These really last so long. They are a little bit drying, but if you top it with something like either a Carmex balm or something, one of those like Maybelline liquid glosses, that really helps, but they just last all day and you just can't beat how long these wear. I also used up a CoverGirl Exhibitionist Strength in Stretch mascara, and yeah, this was a big no for me. Look how clumpy this brush is. I feel like I only used it a couple times before it got really clumpy. It was a cheaper mascara, but it was just not a good quality. I would not rebuy this. I used up a Carmex. These are great affordable chapsticks. Honestly, these are probably more moisturizing than the Laneige lip mask, but I do like the Laneige lip mask. I like all of the flavors and how much product you get in there, but this is also another really good lip balm. And then I also decluttered 3 of these liquid lips. This one by Lawless, and this is in the color Cameron. It's a nice formulation. It's definitely very moisturizing, especially for a liquid lip. However, this is super nude, and on my fair skin, I don't love like a true nude. It just makes me look too washed out, so I'm getting rid of it. And then I'm also getting rid of Dilly Dally from ColourPop and Chandelier. I also wanted to pause the video right here and talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. So in order to win this giveaway, you must like this video, give it a big thumbs up, be subscribed to my channel right here, and also follow my Instagram account and TikTok, and then just leave a comment on this video just telling me your go-to most essential makeup product. And this is what I'm giving away. All of this. First, we're giving away a Bumble and Bumble Heat Shield Thermal Heat Protectant in the miniature size. We're giving away a Bath & Body Works hand cream, a sample of Hermes perfume, a lip mask, strawberry lip mask with collagen, a miniature Sol de Janeiro Copacabana cream, and then this gorgeous set from OPI of nail polishes. So if you want to win the giveaway, just follow those rules that I stated. Best of luck to everyone, and let's continue on with product empties. Okay, moving on into this big box right here. We have so many products. We have the Detox Dry Shampoo and Coconut Colada. I do love the Dry Bar Dry Shampoo. It is really high quality, but I hated this scent. It was just like way too floral for me, and I would not repurchase this scent, but I love like their original scent and also the vanilla bourbon. That one was so good. As I mentioned, the Laneige lip mask, I used up these two. I used up the Gummy Bear and the Mango. Both great scents, loved them. I will say that not recently, but in the fall, I got all white bedding, and now like when I put these on at night, the colored ones, like they get on the sheets and the bedding and they stain them. So that's kind of like one drawback of these, is that they do stain things, but they are really nice lip balms. I used up a rose water shower gel from Crabtree and Evelyn. I love this. It's just a very nice floral scent, but not too floral. I used up the White Pumpkin and Chai shower gel from Bath & Body Works. I used up this Clear by Paula's Choice Acne Body Spray. This is really great if you struggle with acne. It can be really hard to treat your acne by yourself, and this just makes it a lot easier. You just kind of spray it all over, and it's pretty effective. It's not like the most effective product, but it does work. I used up the Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs. Literally nothing left in this bottle. I love this. This was such a great everyday scent. So clean and not too floral. And the bottle is so cute. I used up another shower gel, 1 in a Million by Bath & Body Works. I really like this scent. I would definitely repurchase it. I used up this eyeliner by Maybelline, the Master Precise All Day liquid eyeliner. This is a really easy eyeliner to use. I really like the formulation of it, and it's very affordable. I used up an Urban Decay Perversion mascara, hands down the best mascara ever. Really volumizes your lashes, really makes them darker. Definitely worth the 25 bucks. Favorite mascara. I used up the Ultra Repair hand cream from First Aid Beauty in the scent Candy Cane. I decided to declutter the Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask for your skin. I don't struggle with acne as much as I used to in the past, and if I do a mask, I pretty much only reach for the Philosophy Purity mask, so I just decided to throw this away. I've also had it for a long time, and it's probably expired. I used up my favorite Holy Grail foundation, Estee Lauder Double Wear. Best foundation ever. If you haven't tried this product, it's definitely worth the money and definitely worth the hype. I used up the Mario Badescu Hyaluronic Eye Cream. Not my favorite eye cream. It's not horrible, but for the price, I feel like you can find better, cheaper options or better, more expensive options. So it's just kind of like an awkward mid-tier price point for an eye cream that's just okay. This, on the other hand, is a fantastic eye cream, and I promise you, you will see results if you use this every day. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I believe this is my third one of these that I used up, and I use this product every day. I love it. It brightens your under eyes, it firms them, it just feels good. It doesn't like sting or irritate your eyes. Best eye cream. I used up the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture. I'm glad I tried it in the mini size, because although I do love Tula's face wash, this moisturizer kind of irritated my skin. It kind of gave it some texture, and it smelled like it had a fragrance, which I feel like a lot of Tula's products are really great for sensitive skin, but I don't think the moisturizer was, and I wouldn't recommend it if you have sensitive skin. I used up a mini travel size of the Batiste Dry Shampoo. I also do love this dry shampoo. It honestly is probably better than the Dry Bar. but the Dry Bar I feel like smells better than the Batiste. I used up a mini Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel from Neutrogena. I used this whenever I was traveling. I also used up a mini Tula, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This is the greatest cleanser if you have acne, oily skin, texture. This just really smooths and evens everything out, helps prevent acne. Love this stuff. I used up a mini bottle of the Way Leave-In Conditioner. This is perfect for travel. If you have like oily hair like me and you don't always use conditioner, but you kind of need something to get the tangles out, I'll use this after the shower. It smells great. It is a heavier product, so use it sparingly if you have oily hair or thinner hair, but it smells so good. It smells just like all of the other Way products, and I love it. I used up a Born This Way Too Faced concealer. This is my everyday concealer. I love it. It's the perfect consistency. It's so long wearing. It honestly will outlast literally any of my other makeup that I wear, even my foundation. This just lasts forever. I'm decluttering this Cover FX setting powder because it's honestly impossible to get out of this container. I don't know if I got a faulty one or if they're all like this, but I've had so many other loose setting powders and I've never had such trouble getting a powder out than this one, and it just smells like super chalky and thick. I like the Dermablend one better. I like the Maybelline powder better. So yeah, I'm just getting rid of this. And finally, we have the Method body wash and the chamomile and starflower scent. This smells so good. It's so relaxing and has pretty good ingredients. So definitely check this out if you're looking for something to make your nighttime routine a little bit more relaxing. And I got through all of those products a lot faster than I thought I would. So yeah, that's all the products that I've been using up recently. Make sure you subscribe and enter this giveaway. I will announce the winner probably 2 weeks from when this video goes live. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!